What's up guys, Inglewood Scale Models. Truck is almost ready for clear. I just have to do some trim work around the top, then the window trim. I need to go get a new marker. After the clear, I'll put the Rhino liner red coating on it. That's why it's not painted all the way. And I'll put that together. I'll be getting started on the 90s Cadillac. We'll be making a convertible like this one. Like this one here. I will be using this color, but I might try a yellow base at the bottom. See how it looks. I'll do a couple samples before I paint it. I'll be using these. These are like 14-inch Daytons. The plaque. Inglewood plaque. I'll show you guys how I chrome plate these. I use a liquid chrome marker. I either use the marker on there or I'll pour some of this out into an airbrush and then spray it. Then I have these hydraulic pumps that I bought from eBay. This kit comes with hydraulic pump, but these are more detailed. I believe I bought them for like 10 bucks plus shipping. 2 of them. And as well, I chrome plate them with the marker, the chrome marker. So that's where I'm at now. The weather's finally starting to get a little better. It was too cold to be working back here in the shed. The next will be making the Cadillac tow truck. Here's a truck I'll be using. I'll just be getting rid of the cab, putting the Cadillac. I gotta cut this one, make it a single cab to use on here. Those are the rims. Just that I'll be trying to get thicker tires. Those tires are a little bit too low pro. Those are rims for my Silverado with